Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about baking and how to bake your face, bake your makeup, and why we do it. So let's get started. So after you have done your base makeup, like applied foundation, concealer, contouring and everything, like all the cream products, the next step is baking. Baking means applying a loose powder on the areas to highlight or set the makeup. So I do it under my cheekbones to chisel out the area and to clean up the blush. I apply the loose powder under my eyes to brighten up the area as well as set the cream concealer so that it doesn't move throughout the day. You can also apply a little bit of powder on your loft lines or areas where you see foundation setting in. So let it sit for a couple of minutes and then dust it off. Use a translucent loose powder so that it doesn't leave any color. You can also use a yellow tone loose powder to brighten up the face. As you can see, the powder has really blended in and it has cleaned up my makeup. So the under eye area looks much brighter, much cleaner, and it also gives an airbrushed look. So baking is really easy and it's really fun, and you can see the difference. The makeup looks flawless. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick how to bake tutorial, and I'll see you soon. Bye.